Welcome back to my channel. It's Brandy Giz, and I am about to film this little tutorial. I figured I'd do a get ready with me. I don't know what I'm gonna wear, but my cousin, one of my male cousins he's taking his girl out to dinner and wanted us to attend, but my husband is at work, so it's like Friday, and he said he wanted us to go out to dinner with him. So of course I can go because I'm not at work. My husband is at work. I am in the process of putting on some makeup, and I figured why not just turn on the camera. I left my charger at my cousin Dale's house in the plug, so I don't feel like driving over there. So hopefully I have enough battery to film this here tutorial, and the battery is wasting really quick. So what was I saying? So yeah, I just did this eye look. I'm not finished with it. I'm just testing out different kinds of makeup that's in my stash, and I figured why not film. I'm just kind of like winging it, and I put on these lashes, these dramatic lashes. It shouldn't look so bad once I put on the other ones, I hope. But anyway, I don't even know what lashes these are. I just had them on my desk. But right now I'm pouring me some water in this cup because I have heartburn. And I'm supposed to be going out with my cousin. Me and my son will go, since she's gonna have her kids there at the dinner tonight. So yeah, I filmed this here look, and I guess I'll finish the rest of it so you guys can see. I'm gonna be all over the place, so I just want y'all to know this is me. This is like my favorite. I showed this in my favorites video. And I'm just tapping on a little setting powder so that, you know, it'll set, and when I put the eyeshadow on, it'll just go over my lid real smooth. But this is the Smashbox Photo Finish Lid Primer in the shade Medium. Let me show you guys that. Yep, that's it. I was at home about to film like 2 tutorials, and I'm going to try to hurry up because it's like 4 o'clock, and I think we're supposed to be leaving out at 7, and time waits for nobody. So right now I'm just using this Aphrodite palette, and I'm using the brown that's in there, and I'm just sweeping this in my crease. I received my second order from Fashion Nova, so I figured I would show you guys what I ordered from there. I just have like random videos. Let's see, is this what I use? Yeah, and this is the Nubian 2. This is the Juvias palette right here, and I went in with this here shade right here, which is like a burgundy, and it's called Jezebel. And I'm just taking this Sonia Kashuk brush, just a random brush, and I'm just dabbing it on my lid, placing it on my lid. And this is like a really quick, easy look, especially for those of you all who are beginners. And I just dab that on my lid. How many of you all have like kids that are like 9, 10, 11, 12 in that area that are home for the summer? And even if they're at home, you know, after camp, do they play video games? What do you guys make your kids do? Don't be lying. But my son, he likes to play video games, and sometimes be hollering, and I be ready to I'll be ready to bum rush him. He be making all that dang noise. I'm like, the police gonna be called. You keep on acting crazy. Yeah. So right now I'm just blending out the edges of this here shadow so it won't look so harsh. Yeah, I'm blending out the edges. And I have a lot of room on my eyelids, so I just take it all the way up. And I just leave a little bit. You see that right here? That's that concealer when I did my brows. And I think I have a brow, I'm sure I have a brow tutorial on my channel. You guys could check that out. Then I'm going to take a little bit of this color right here from the Aphrodite palette, and it's called Koi. And just like a little highlight to go above the brow, like so. Like so. And I put it right here. I'm looking off into my mirror like that. And then what I do is I take this blending brush. This is, let's see, the Sedona Lace 863. So I just take it and I blend it so it won't look too harsh. Sometimes I just go over it just a little bit. And this is all I'm going to do. Let me drink my Alka-Seltzer. Okay, this is real life. People do get heartburn. I ate too much barbecue sauce during the holiday. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this Bad Habit. This is the Solstice palette, and I'm just gonna use these two random gold shades. They are Dawn and Rays. So we got all these pretty colors. But before I do that, I need to lay down this NYX primer. So I'm just gonna tap. I put it on my finger, you guys, and I just tap it on my lid and the center of my lid, like so. Hopefully I put it on enough, and I just dip my brush in there and I just tap it on like so. So it should look something like that. Okay. And add some more to my eye. Now I just start blending it out. Blending out the edges. Get some mascara and put it on my top lid. Okay, so now I'm just wiping off the excess of the glitter, whatever fell on my face. Okay, so alright, now I'm going to take this random lash that I found on my desk and kind of like fan it. Usually when I'm putting on makeup, I like to watch YouTube videos when I have the time, but I can't watch it because I need to do this video for you guys. Okay, and a lot of people don't like when you blow on your lash, but these are my lashes. I'm putting them on my eyes. Now if I was putting them on someone else's eyes, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. So FYI. Okay, now some people have so many gripes. Don't pull your eye. Don't blow on your lash. Don't put your lashes on with your fingers. I ain't got time for all of that extra stuff. I'm just doing me. Okay. So I'm pressing these lashes in. And let me see, are they on? Yeah. Alrighty, now that they're on, I'm gonna go in with NYX. This is the Matte Liquid Liner. Okay, my mirror changes the color of the video. Okay, that looks pretty decent. So what I'm going to do right now is go in with a little bit of this here orange concealer from NYX. I just have like a little corner left. I don't use as much as I used to. Star of the show is this Too Faced Born This Way. This is the oil-free, undetectable, medium to full coverage foundation. And I picked up the shade Butter Pecan. And I used to have this shade, I believe it was in Maple, if I'm not mistaken. I believe Jackie Aina came out with a few shades. She collaborated with Too Faced and brought out some more shades for us. So I'm going to try this Butter Pecan. I tried it once in the store, but like on my chin area, and I wasn't quite sure. So let's start. I'm gonna do 2 pumps. I'm gonna warm it up a little bit. I brought you a little bit closer to me. Maybe I'm a little bit too close. And go in real quick. And go in on my face with this. I'm going to show you guys. Hopefully this matches. I always felt like when I had the other foundation, it was a little bit too, I don't know, something was missing. It wasn't enough golden in it. So I end up, so I figured I would just try this one out. This one looks like it's it's a pretty good match. When I wear darker shades on my eyes, it makes my eyes look smaller, closes them in. So now I'm just gonna pat this blender in and soak up all the excess foundation. I don't really like putting foundation on my forehead because I sweat. This is the Age Rewind concealer. I didn't pick up the concealer that they came out with. That's like 30 bucks. I passed on that. Maybe one day, but I didn't need it. I got a bunch of concealer in here that I haven't even used yet. All the way up. So I'm going to use this. This is the blender, the diamond from Real Techniques. I like this because it goes in that eye like that. Like so. And I just use a little bit and dab it underneath the eye. Alright, love, so I'm back and I just applied the Butter Pecan foundation from Born This Way, and so far it feels lightweight on the skin. I can't tell you that it won't transfer. I'm not going to give you, this is just my initial demo. Although I've had this foundation before in a different shade, I wanted to come to you today and share with you all the shade, the new shade that I applied on my face, and I believe that it is a great match. Like I said, it is in a glass bottle. It is 1.0 fluid ounce, and of course it does come with a pump. And that is about it. I'm not going to do a wear test because I've worn this foundation many a times in some of my previous videos, so you can go back and check those out. But yeah, guys, this is the look that I came up with. I hope you all like. Set my foundation. I'm going to try this NYX Matte finish. They gave me this from Ulta for free, so let me see. Set my foundation. I just wanted to come back to you and show you guys my look. Maybe I should put some white on my lid to open up my eyes a little bit. Yeah, that'll work. Put that on my lid.